In the era of carbon neutrality, the European metallurgical industry is undergoing a profound green transformation. Representing 8% of the EU's total emissions, the metallurgical sector consumes over 50 million tons of metallurgical coal annually, and its decarbonization process is directly tied to the achievement of Europe's climate goals. Biochar, as a sustainable and renewable carbon source, is rewriting the rules of the metallurgical industry. This material, produced through the controlled pyrolysis of biomass, not only meets the chemical requirements for elemental carbon in metallurgical processes, but also delivers impressive emissions reductions in silicon smelting. It can reduce direct carbon emissions per ton of product from 4.5 tons to 0.5 tons, while cutting the use of reducing agents by more than 30%. From silicon ferroalloys to steel smelting, biochar demonstrates multiple values, improving metal purity and reducing impurity content, decreasing reliance on imported fossil fuels, and supporting a circular carbon economy model. By 2050, the annual demand for biochar in the European steel industry is expected to exceed 4 million tons, revealing significant market potential.